Hello, EWRSD. This is Kevin McGill from your IT department recording in the staff development room in admin. And I would like to talk about how to adjust the volume and change the default playback device. Now, on your tablet in Windows 10, there are a couple ways that you can adjust your volume. The first being if you were to just left click once on the speaker icon in the lower right hand corner of your screen, you should see a volume bar appear. Now, in Windows 7, it might be vertical, but in Windows 10, it's horizontal. So if you were to actually drag the marker on the volume bar, you can adjust the volume. Another way of doing it is to also, on your tablet, use the volume rocker that is in the upper left-hand corner. Now, it's going to be on the left side of your tablet, assuming you have it upright and connected to the keyboard. But if you were to press up on that volume rocker, a visual indicator will appear to show you your current volume level. Now, if you were to press down on that volume rocker, then your volume will go down, and that graphic will appear again to show you what volume you are on. Now, with changing your default playback device in Windows 10, there's a couple ways you can do it. One being, if you were to just left click once again on that sound icon in the system tray next to the time, you can then click on the title up here or the caret, either one, it doesn't matter. And then when you click on the title of the sound box, you are presented with two different playback devices. If you don't see two, it's okay. It just means you do not have another playback device connected to the tablet. So you may not even be connected to your interactive projector. If you want to switch between the different output devices, then you would just click the appropriate one you want. Now, digital output will be your interactive projector, and then speakers will be the physical speakers that are attached to your tablet or to your computer that are on your desk. In Windows 7 and in Windows 10, they do share another way of doing it. So regardless of whether you're on Windows 7 or Windows 10, you can do this method as well. So in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, you can right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray next to the time, and then you can click on the Playback Devices option in the context menu that appears. When you do that, a small sound window appears on the screen, and it presents to you all of the playback devices available to you. So again, you should see two if you are connected to your interactive projector. On Windows 7, it might say, instead of digital output, it might say projector. But either one, whatever one you want to choose, you right-click on it, and then in the menu that appears, you choose Set as Default Device. How do you know which one is set to default? Well, you can just see where your check mark is. So I can see my green check mark is on speakers and headphones right now. So if I were to play music, it would come out of my tablet. Now, if I were to set digital output as my default, the check mark moves. And now if I were to play a YouTube video or music, it would come out of the speaker bar that is mounted onto the wall. And that's it. If you have any more questions or comments or anything, give us a call. Thank you very much.